Hello everyone, and welcome back into the kitchen of the homestead here. My name is Therese. If you're new here, I'm so glad you found us. Myself, along with my husband Kevin and our son Andrew, we are the Homesteading Hills. And I've been working on a series this week for a Southern Easter dinner. And so today we're doing our second in the side dishes, and we're going to do Southern green beans and potatoes is what we're doing. So this is their ingredient list that we're working with. We have 2 to 3 cups of chicken broth, an onion, 3 to 4 potatoes, depending on your size, half a cup of butter, quarter cup of butter, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of pepper, 2 pounds of fresh green beans, and 8 slices of bacon. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to prep our beans. I'm just going to take the ends off and put them in the 2-inch pieces. So that's what I'm going to do now. So now we're going to take our 8 pieces of bacon, or 8 slices of bacon, and we're going to cut them into about 1/2-inch pieces. And I'm going to get them into the cast iron and get them cooking up. Okay guys, so the next thing I'm going to do is just go ahead and get this onion diced up. There's the potent onion. It's making me want to cry. After the bacon's all done, we'll go ahead and add this into the bacon and saute it for a couple of minutes, and then we'll move on from there. Okay, we go ahead and peel and cube our potatoes to get them in after the onions. I like this recipe because it's something a little bit different than the standard green bean casserole. So to our bacon, we're going to go ahead and add our onion in. We're going to cook for just a couple of minutes. We start to break it up. Then we're going to add the rest of our ingredients in, and we'll let it cook for the appropriate time. So we're going to go ahead now and we're going to add our diced potatoes into the pot. We're going to add our broth, our butter, and our salt and pepper. I'm going to stir this all together. I'm going to turn our stove back on. Okay, so now we've added our broth to cover the potatoes, our butter, everything's in. We need to bring this up to a boil. Then we're going to add in our green beans, and I'll show you what we do from there. So the potatoes have been boiling with the onions and the bacon for about 10 minutes now. It's time to add our green beans. We're going to add them straight on top, cover it, and let simmer for another 10 minutes. At this point, don't stir them in. Just leave them sitting on top. So our 10 minutes is up. We're going to remove the lid and stir the green beans in, and then we're going to continue to cook for another 20 to 30 minutes until everything's done. Okay guys, this dish turned out absolutely amazing, and we really hope that you give it a try and let us know what you think.